Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you my opinions on the Speedy Nano. If you like this type of video, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So this is my Speedy Nano. I got this bag about 1 month ago. Since then, I started to use this daily. Mine is made in France. Okay, and this is a very small bag. It's a mini bag. Wow, it actually fits a lot. The first thing I want to talk about while I was using this bag is that the pochette leather has a lot to do with the wear and tear. I only used this about 1 month, but as you can see, you already can see the wear and tear, the dirt on the handle. So let me talk about why you are starting to saying this. This bag, you cannot wear it in rain. So if it's raining outside, don't use this bag. You will get dirt on the handle or any of the pochette leathers. On the shoulder strap wise, I don't see any of my problems, but only on the handles. The problem is being that right now I always use hand sanitizers or alcohol spray whenever I go outside, and then if your hands are still wet, once you are touching the handle, then you will left over those dirt on the handles. So if that's something that you are really afraid of, I would say do not go with this bag. This is my first pochette leather bag. You guys know that any of my other Speedies and also Neverfull is all in Damian Ebang, and they have the treated leather, which we never encountered these problems before, and this is just something new. If you want keep something always look new, I would not recommend you go with this bag just because of the leather. And some of the people, they like to see these leather tarnish. Don't get me wrong, that is just a sign of using, but if you're considering reselling in the resale market, then I would say do not go with this bag. So the second tip I want to give it to you is that even though this bag actually fits a lot, but do not fill them all. If you fill this bag too full, it's very hard to find the stuff that you need. Even you find it, this open is small. If you put too big stuff inside, it's very hard to take it out. So that will make you really inconvenient while using this bag. So right now I'm going to show you my most comfortable way to use this bag. First of all is my key holder. This is in reverse monogram. I purchased those two together. I'm specifically purchasing this card holder to just use with this bag. So it's like so. And I purchased this before the price increase, even though this item specifically does not have the price increase. I put all my cards and also some of the cash in the middle part, like so. And been loving that. It's very functional piece. I highly recommend that. And also I will have my lipsticks here, and also I will have my car key here, and the last is my earphones. That was all about it. It's very light. So usually I will put all my stuff in, and also here I have an iPhone Plus. The iPhone Plus, it fits inside. It fits inside in a certain angle. It fits, but once again, even though it fits, but you won't like to always put it inside because it's very hard to get it outside. So usually my phone is just lying like this while I'm using it. So this is usually the way I will be using this. I found most easy and comfortable way to use this bag. I will use this either handheld or crossbody, like so. I really like the crossbody way because it is so easy and it sits right on this height. I found it very easy to get stuff in and out, like so, or even my card holder. This is my most comfortable way to use. And now I'm gonna show you when I first got it, how I use this and why I don't like it. So when I first got it, I was so surprised how much it fits. I will choose to fit my mini pochette in. So my mini pochette has to be vertical to go inside, and now with the mini pochette you will actually have a compartment inside of your bag. And then, as you guys know, I'm using this compact band wallet here, and also same, the band wallet also have to be vertical to be inside, and then you move around to fit. It fits inside without any problems. Whenever I want to take my thing out, I always have to move around and to get it out, which makes me really hard to get my wallet out. And sometimes my sales even laughing at me. It's like, your bag is too small, you need to get a bigger bag. That was so embarrassing. So at that point I feel like, yeah, maybe I shouldn't use the compact wallet and those big stuff inside. Even though I have my mini pochette, if I want to get something out of my mini pochette, I have to really open the zip inside and get stuff. Like, for example, if I want to get my hand lotion out of it, I still need to find it and get out from this really small opening. I don't find that very functional, to be honest. So at that point I started to changing. I even started thinking maybe I shouldn't keep this Speedy Nano, maybe this does not fit my lifestyle. But then I started to think, yeah, maybe I should change the way I use it. Now I started to fill in those very small little stuff inside, and now I found it very, very easy to use and been loving it. So nevertheless, keep in mind, if you are considering purchasing this bag, this is still a small bag. It's a mini bag. Do not think of putting too much stuff inside. Otherwise, even though it can fit, but it's very hard to work with. If you want to put many stuff inside, I would recommend you to actually go a size up. Other than that, if you're all good with the pochette leather where you live does not ring at all, or you're only planning to use this bag while it's sunny outside and also you don't have too much stuff inside, you will find this bag really functional and really too easy to work with, and you will really enjoy it. Okay, that's all about it. Once again, if you like my content, please do not forget to like this video and consider subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.